हरिः ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। अनंत श्री विभूषित शिवयति महासैक्त कुलाधीश्वर सैक्तानंद परमहंस परम पूज्य श्री 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 भैरवानंद महास्वामिने नमः। श्रीमात्रे नमः। This is Sarvana Kumar. We are starting this series of talks on Durga Saptasati, also popularly known as Devi Mahatmya. In the next few talks, we are going to touch upon almost all the aspects of practice and disciplines of Saptasati. Om Namas Chandikayai. Devi Mahatmya, a stotra of chapters taken from Markandeya Purana, is a conversation between Rishi Markandeya and his disciples Jaimini and Kroshtuki. This is a set of verses with long, short, and narration headers, summing up to 700 mantras, hence the name Saptasiddhi or 700. Markandeya Purana highlights lives and works of a few of 14 Manus, also called as Manvantaras. This story is dealt during Swarojisha Manvantara. Manvantara is 71 Mahayugas, where one Mahayuga is a group of four yugas: Satya, Treta, Dvapara, and Kali yugas. Rishis, seers, and the knowledgeable have associated Saptasati with Chandi, also known or practiced through Navakshari, the nine-lettered mantra. Former is an Upadana Karana or a subset to the later, which is called as Pradhana Karana or the principal focus. For those whose main deity of worship is Chandi, practiced through Navakshari mantra, Saptasati can be a subset of their worship. And for those sadhakas whose main deity is Durga, by being based out of Saptasati, Navakshari will be a subset of their worship. Durga and Chandi are the main deities of Navakshari and Saptasati respectively. Durga and Chandi are the same entities of the supreme energy or Shakti or Chaitanya. A simple Nirukta, the philological meaning of Chandi and Durga is: Chandi is a formless, wholesome amassment of energy or Shakti, and Durga is the one who relieves or transports everyone from Durgati, the cyclical path of births and deaths, and assumes a form. It is told that plain reading of Devi Mahatmya from the Purana blesses the reader with initiation of Navakshari or Durga or any of the various forms of the mother. Since Devi Mahatmya or the 700 verses which are quoted are from a Purana, and Puranas are made available for every interested reader, the approach is easier to Devi Mahatmya rather than Chandi Navakshari. Chandi, as the deity, is not only worshipped through Navakshari mantra, but there are other forms of her worship, which we are not dealing in these talks at this moment. There is a Srividya aspect to it. Navakshari mantra is equated with Panchadasakshari mantra of Sri Vidya, the 15-lettered mantra, and this is revealed subtly in a few places. Tripura Upanishad equates the triad of Gayatri mantra, which is the four-quartered full Gayatri, which is given to sannyasis as a part of Purna Diksha in almost all sampradayas. The usual Sandhya Gayatri that we all do, or which is popular and available to everybody, is Tripada Gayatri, is only a three-quartered Gayatri, whereas the four-quartered or Chatushpad Gayatri is given to sannyasis. Tripura Upanishad equates four-quartered Chatushpad Gayatri mantra with Panchadasakshari mantra, thus making all the three, the Gayatri mantra, Panchadasakshari mantra, and the Navakshari mantra of Chandi Parameswari. From another aspect, fourth chakra from outside in the Sri Chakra is pronounced as Manvasra, which has got 14 triangles referring to 14 Manus, starting from Swayambhu. Devi Mahatmya involves first, fourth, eighth, and 12th Manus, referring to Sarva Sankshobhini, Sarvahladini, Sarvavasankari, Sarva Sampatti Purani Devis of Sri Chakra, and hence gives the sadhaka, the reader of Devi Mahatmya, various capacities to control, ensnare, enslave, and fructification of all desires. One commentary on Saptasati mentions Saptasati as Saptasati, story highlighting greatness of 7 holy women who are Mahakali, Mahalakshmi, Mahasaraswati, Raktadantika, Durga, Brahmari, and Satakshi Devis. From another aspect, according to Bhavanopanishad, Bindu manifested as Avyakta, Mahat, and Ahankara. That is, that which remains hidden is Avyakta, that which is spread with a specific identity is Ahankara, and the glory and greatness aspect, which is Mahatmya. The current topic in discussion deals with Mahatmya. Jaimini and Kroshtaki are key proponents of Mimamsa or logic, one of these 6 limbs of Vedas. What and why aspects of life and beyond are dealt in Mimamsa. It can be purported that after begetting this Brahmagyana from their guru Markandeya, they excelled in coming up with theories of Mimamsa. These talks on Devi Mahatmya are based on few authentic books dealing with Saptashati. Some of them are Marichikalpa, Durgarchana Kalpadruma, Saptasati Saptatika, which is a compendium of 7 commentaries which are Guptavati, Santanavi, Nagoji Bhatti, Chaturdhari, Damshodhari, Jagat Chandra Chandrika, Durga Pradeepa are some of the authentic books which are consulted and are mentioned during these talks. The Markandeya Purana quoted here is the 1967 print of Chaukamba Sanskrit series. The next talk will be on Devi Kavachastotra. Sri Matre Namaha.